So, good morning, dear student. So, today we are going to discuss about section formula. So, in the last class, we already discussed about the first topic in the coordinate geometry was distance formula. Now, the second topic is here now, section formula. And third topic is actually what? Area of triangle. So, the first one already have done. Now we are going to discuss section formula. So now see what is section formula. Section formula says that suppose this is the point A, coordinate is x1, y1. This is point B, coordinate is x2, y2. So in between A and B, there is one point, suppose C, which divide this whole line segment AB in the ratio of m1 is to m2. Now this is the point C. This divide the whole line AB in the ratio of this part AC is m1, CB is m2. Like 2 is to 3, 1 is to 3, 2 is to 5, like that. So here I don't know the ratio. This is m1 is to m2. Then how to find the coordinate of C? Then here coordinate of C is this is section formula. M1, if M1 in this side, then X coordinate and that side X2. Opposite sides X coordinate plus M2, opposite sides X coordinate X1, divided by M1 plus M2, comma Y coordinate. M1, opposite side Y coordinate Y2, plus M2, opposite sides Y coordinate is Y1, divided by M plus N. This is called section formula. So when C is the point in between A and B, which divide the whole line segment in the ratio of m1 is to m2, how to find the coordinate of C? By this formula. Now here you have to remember one thing, that is called remark. If this C is the exactly midpoint of AB, and C is midpoint of AB, so then m1 is to m2 will be 1 is to 1, because C is the midpoint. So this part and this part will be equal. So we can say then m1 is to m2, the ratio will be 1 is to 1. So in that case, how to find the coordinate of C? This C. So then coordinate of C will be, let's see, in place of m1 and m2 we have to put 1 is to 1. So 1 into x2 it will be x2 plus 1 into x1 x1 divided by 1 plus 1 1 1 m1 m2. So 1 plus 1 is 2, comma. This is 1 into y2 y2 plus 1 into y1 y1 divided by 1 plus 1. So this is m1 is to m2. So m1 is to m2 1 1 2. So this is actually how to find the coordinate of midpoint. If I join any 2 points, then there will be one midpoint. And how to find the coordinate of that point, midpoint, you should remember simply the average of or the mean of x coordinate, see, x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, average of y coordinate, y1 plus y2 or y2 plus y1 divided by 2. So this is how to find the midpoint if I join any 2 points. How to find the coordinate of the midpoint of that line segment. So now, so that I can ask you one question, see, from here. For example, suppose if it is given the coordinate of A is 2, 3 and coordinate of B is suppose 4, 6. So if I join them, I would like to find the midpoint of the AB, that is C suppose midpoint. So what is the coordinate of C here? If C is the midpoint, then coordinate of C will be 2 plus 4, x coordinates average by 2, comma y coordinates average 3 plus 6 by 2. So that is 6 by 2, 3, and it is 9 by 2. So this is one example how to find the coordinate of midpoint if I join 2 point. So this is actually very important thing. Now we are going to do the application of this section formula. You can come to exercise 7.2, and the 7.2 it is exercise 7.2. It is already given. Find the coordinate of the point on which divide the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio of 2:3. That is, suppose this is the point A and this is the point B. One point C, suppose divide AB in the ratio of 2:3. So we have to find the coordinate of C. So here it is given, given C divides AB in the ratio of 2:3. So that is, it is M1, it is M2. You can say it is M1 and it is M2. How to find the coordinate of this C? So this is x1, y1, it is actually x1, y1, it is suppose x2, y2. Then you can see how to find the coordinate of C by section formula. So therefore, coordinate of C, M1, that is 2. You can write the formula first, M1 x2, that side x coordinate, plus it is M2, M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2, plus then M1 that side y coordinate, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So now I have to put the value here. See, the values are already given. So you can say M1 is here 2 and x2 is here 4. 2 into 4 plus M2 is 3, x1 is -1, 3 into -1 divided by M1 plus M2, 2 plus 3, comma M1 y2, 2 into -3 plus M2, 3 into y1, 7 divided by M1 plus M2. So therefore I will get here, this is 8 minus 3, so 5 divided by 5, comma -6 plus 21, -6 plus 21 plus 15 divided by 5. So if you cancel it, 5 1 ja 5 3 ja. So coordinate is what? 1, 3. This is the coordinate of the point C. So this is the first question. Now see the second question. This is a very important question. So you just try to read the question. Question number 2. In question number 2, let's say, find the coordinate of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. So this is 2 points given. These are 2 points A and B. So if I join these 2 points AB, I got here one line segment, that is AB. So if I trisect it, then I need 3 points, that is suppose C and D. So when C and D trisect this line segment, that means AC equal to CD equal to DB. So this point is, you can say here B, coordinate of B is this. So we have to find the coordinate of C and D. So here when this equal to this equal to this, all the parts are equal, so their ratio will be here AC equal to CD equal to BD. So all the ratio will be here 1:1:1. So that is, you can say AC is to CD is to DB equal to 1:1:1, because all the parts are equal here. Now, see, first of all, we are going to find the coordinate of C. So when we are going to find the coordinate of C, then you forget about this D. Then here it will be one part, and here it will be 1 plus 1, 2 part. So this part is, suppose I give the name M1, and this is suppose M2. Then we can easily find by section formula. This is M1, M2. How to find the coordinate of C? By section formula. See, so coordinate of C first. Coordinate of C, see, M1, it is suppose x1, y1, it is suppose x2, y2. So M1, x2, that is 1 into minus 2 plus M2, that is 2 into x1, 4, divided by M1 plus M2, that is 1 plus 2, comma. Then next is M1 y2, that is 1 into minus 3 plus M2, 2 into y1 minus 1, divided by M1 plus M2, that is 1 plus 2. So this is actually, we got here minus 2 plus 8 by 3 and minus 3 minus 2 by 3. So ultimately 6 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3. So this one is 6 by 3 is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So this is the coordinate of the point C. Now next part, see how to find the coordinate of D here now. So this time I again delete this whole part. So now I would like to find the coordinate of this point D. So then this part is suppose M1, that is here to here 2 part, 1 part plus 1 part 2 part, and here to here it is 1 part. So this is now M1, it is now M2. Now we would like to find the coordinate of D. So similarly I will write here now. So coordinate of D, same section formula we have to use. Again, coordinate of D, say M1 x2, that is 2 into minus 2 plus M2 x1, that is 1 into 4 divided by M1 plus M2. So you can write in the bracket 2 plus 1, comma, then M1 y2, that is 2 into minus 3 plus M2 into y1, 1 into minus 1 divided by M1 plus M2. So that is, it is minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3, comma, minus 6 minus 1 by 3. So ultimately it is minus 4 plus 4, 0 by 3, 0, and this is minus 7 by 3. So these are the coordinate of the point C and D, got trisection. So hope you understand. So just you have to use your section formula, nothing else. So now you see the next question. This is one type of like a case study or real life situation. See, question number 3 is given. You just see the figure here. One diagram is given. I just show you the diagram here. So the diagram is like this. Some lines are here, vertical lines. So it is A, B. Here it is given C and D. So here some, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 given, and here it is 1, 2, some flower pots are here. You can see they are after 1 meter gap, flower pots are there. So there it is given 100 flower pots, that is up to 100 is here. So now you just read, that is in AD 100 flower pots are there and they are after 1 meter gap each and every flower pots are there. So there are two girls, you can see in the diagram, they going to put some flag. So that is one character is Niharika. So Niharika runs 1/4 distance AD, 1/4. 1/4 of AD, see AD is here 100. AD equal to, you can say, 100 meter, because 100 flower pots are here. Every flower pots are after 1 meter. So if Niharim travel 1/4 of AD, so 1/4 into AD means, you can say, 1/4 of 100. So 1/4 of 100 is 25 meter. And in which line? On the second line. On the second line means here the Niharim is, suppose, on the second line means x coordinate is 2 and she runs 20 feet meter. 1/4 of AD means 20 feet meter here. So her position, coordinate of Niharim will be x coordinate 2, y coordinate is 25. So coordinate of Niharim, you can say, Niharika, sorry, coordinate of Niharika 2, 25. And then it is given Preet, another one character, runs 1/5 distance of AD. So 1/5 of AD will be 1/5 of AD, that is 1/5 of 100. Cancel it, 20. So that is 20 meter. On which line? On 8th line. On the 8th line, Niharim, sorry, Preet. So that is x coordinate is 8 and y coordinate is here 20. So coordinate of Preet. Coordinate of Preet equal to x coordinate 8, y coordinate is 20. So now what we have to find here? What is the distance between both the flags? Means what is the distance between Niharika's flag and Preet's flag? So now you can say here, so I just delete this portion now. So you can say the distance between the two flags equal to, distance formula we have to apply between these 2 points. Suppose it is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2. So x2 minus x1, that is 8 minus 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, that is 20 minus 25 whole square. So that is, you can say here 6 square, 36, plus it is minus 5 whole square is 25. So 6, 5, 11, 61 unit. 61 unit is the distance between the two flags. Then also another one part is here, that is if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining these two flags, that is Niharika's flag. Suppose Niharika's flag is here, Niharika's flag, and here Preet's flag, Niharika and Preet. Where should Rashmi, if Rashmi wants to put a flag in the middle of Niharika's flag and Preet flag, so where she should put the flag? So therefore we have to find the coordinate of the midpoint of NP. So that is midpoint. So now, so we can say that coordinate of Rashmi's flag, coordinate of Rashmi's flag equal to midpoint. How to find the midpoint? See, I told you midpoint. So average of x coordinate, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So that is 8 plus 2, 10 by 2, 5, comma 45 by 2. So these are the 3 questions I discussed in the video. Now another one question I will send you. So that is in the PDF, or you can see the video also. So let's see question number 4. question number 4 is given. See, it is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point this and this is divided by the point. Suppose this is the point C is given by the point C, that is minus 1 comma 6. So that is C is in between A and B. It is already given. So we have to find here at what ratio this point C divide AB. That is, I have to find now this time M1 is to M2. So this coordinate I have to find here. Now when you have to find the ratio, you have to remember one thing. I will tell you here. Say, don't write M1 is to M2. Suppose, see, I have to find here ratio M1 is to M2. So when you have to find this ratio, you do one thing. Divide here by M2 because I have to convert this one into 1. So M1 by M2 is to M2 by M2. Both I divide by 1. So this is M1 by M2 is to 1. So this is M1 by M2. This name I have given K is to 1. So once I get the value of K, that will be actually M1 by M2. That is K equal to what? M1 by M2. And that is actually the ratio, actually M1 is to M2. So therefore, when it is asking that find the ratio, you always suppose that is K is to 1. That the value of K will be actually M1 is to M2. So you have to write here, let C divide AB, let C divide AB in the ratio of K is to 1. So now I would like to find the coordinate of C. Though the coordinate of C is given, it is already given, but still I will find the coordinate of by coordinate of C by section formula. So coordinate of C that is, it is suppose x1 y1, it is x2 y2. So it is m1 actually, m1 x2, that is k into 6k plus 1 into minus 3 divided by k plus 1, m1 and 2, comma k into minus 8k plus 1 into 10 divided by m1 and 2, k plus 1. So this is the coordinate of C, but coordinate of C is already given minus 1 comma 6. So you can compare with this one and this one, that is this equal to minus 1 and this equal to 6. So you can write any one, answer will be same. So I will write according to question, suppose this one, this x coordinate, 6k minus 3 by k plus 1, it will be minus 3 equal to what? X coordinate is given minus 1. So now from here, no need to take this one now, because from here only I will get the value of k. Cross multiply 6k minus 3, it will be minus k plus minus 1. So 6k, take minus k in this side, plus k equal to minus 1, take minus 3 plus 3. So that is 7k equal to 2. So therefore k equal to what? 2 by 7. So this is the ratio actually, that is 2 is to 7. You can say now this point C divide the whole AB in the ratio of 2 is to 7. This part is 2 part, this part is 7 part. That's all. So hope you understand. And question number 5 you can try by your own, and 6 I will show you in the PDF. Thank you.